Pentecostal Network Panel Program Clear to Te Lalpa Iswa Mingin Zibayule Tunkar Chunga UPC North East India Kaushan Rongbol ne Chanchin Thar Clear ni Lawngai Thlang U July ni Kwaning Ani Khan General PYD Executive Committee meeting nei ania meeting hi Reverend H Lalro Puyana Kai Shwai meeting a hian kumin sangni somni November pathiani voi thumna manga General PYD Conference nei turarwa manna omsa chu Executive Board Thuron angin General Kaushan Pui Conference November pathiani tober manga neya betel mai se ti in an pass General PYD Conference ashanga nei hunata November pathiani voi thumna ni se ti arwa manna alo siam to po Executive Board in November pathiani voi khanna nei ni se ti in arwa mansaka PYD Conference ashanga nei kumchuan hemi huna hian nei thin ani ang UPCI in Bible College kan nei zinga khovel hwapo alangsar berpol Ocean Graduate School of Theology UGST chuan Juni somni panga sangni somni atonga effectanin Higher Learning Commission HLC atungin accreditation initial amuta Higher Learning Commission here in United States zirna in Shangshang Post Secondary Education haute accreditation a Petrina Chicago, Illinois headquarters omni in Kankoshan Bible zirna in HLC atangmeva accreditation and mutahi anlom lea UGST how to tepo anlom takzedani he accreditation hi UGST hian neitura abenga zinga mi ani Ocean Graduate School of Theology hi Missouri USA omni in master degree thengzir theina ani a anzir tir tu hi MTS D.Ed PhD MAD D-Means DSL, DTH, MTH te Pastoral Counseling lama degree raw pui tak nei thlengin anom noka zirtir tu te an that ang bokin zirlai zir chhuak te po an theu neu lo hle ani Initial accreditation an hu hi an lom puyom hle ani UPCI General Superintendent Reverend David K. Bernard Ocean Graduate School of Theology le Ocean President Dr. Brent Coulter Baka Ocean Executive Vice President Jenny Rizal Tichuan Facebook UPCI page hemi chungchang ansoi ho na hi live in July ni sompanga America ram sana a chhnu dar nia an nei don ani District Shangshang Rongbol ne chanchin ngai thak chunjomila Lunglei District July ni sari tholeni khan Lunglei District UPC Board voice ni na chu District UPC Conference Hall District Superintendent Reverend C Banal ena kai shwaina in nei ani a anro rel tlang puite Evangelist C. Vanalwatan General License adilna to recommend trati ani. Runtung biak in saktan puinan cheng noi thum pek trati ani. Mol thuam sal biak in deep tu in le ahun le ni se trati ani. Pastority zamhingliana service regularize ani. CEC Vice Principal term siamani a kumhi ni se shwai tu in rathar kumpianga rathar vechin ni se trati ani. COVID-19 shipuya wanga in rencemnan Kumina 3% na DA pungtur chu ti punlo ni se thati ani baka hetiang hian thoktu ten an hlo atangin tho se thati ani Pastor Thoklai Cheng Sanga Probationary Pastor Cheng Sangli LDC Chinchunglam Cheng Sangthum 4th grade Cheng Sanghi tin he board a hian sangni sompakwa annual audit note clear how ani baka emergency district board rorel approved ani July ni thum zirtom ni khan Ladies Auxiliary Department Lunglei District chuan Lunglei District UPC na Encol Christian Education Center CEC School a Chanpuina Cheng Singa an hlan Puisa hi school ayo in principal in adong ani District LAD hian July ni khatni lai ni khan General Missions Department hena missionary supportatan Cheng Singruk an hlana July ni riat ni lai ni khan Lunglei District LAD hian General Missions Department waya Assam Missions Field Serfanguri number 2 biak in saknan cheng noi khat sing ruk an hlan bok he biak in sakna tur hi district LAD hian Lunglei District Missions Director Kaltlangin General hena hian an hlan ani Lunglei District LAD hian Serfanguri biak in sakna tur hi District LAD Conference March ni som pathuma tangani som panga chunga an neya appealin an tuak ani Aizawl East District Rongbol na chanchin Aizawl East District Noyaro Rel na sang District Board voiza somni pathum na ju July ni sari le ni riat chung khan nei ani a Board hi District Committee room a nei ni in Reverend Biak Sang Zola District Superintendent chuana kai shwai ani he huna hian tun hnaya bel pastor ta na lak thar Pastor F Malsom tuanga champhai bial le Pastor Vanal ha ka zamhun bial te chu district superintendent hian board member tan lagluna anei ngal ani District Board hi Reverend Almal Somasailo General Superintendent chuan telpuin bial changshang somthum pakhat atringin board member antel kim thei ani anthungai twa langsar zwalte lautar langila Pastor lak tur chu District Board a interview le exam kal tanga lak zel to turati ani bial honthar zema bok nor biala middle school veng kaushanti chu veng chungin veng ming akalpui angin zema bok west UPC ti a thak ani August Ramutlahi Pastor Bial tina ahlok theyang baraman tumni se amandan turbo bial kuta da ani hengba ka hian District Board hian remarriage license RL deal engemozat apebok ani July ni thum zirtom ni khan Aizawl East District Noi Motor Board thutkhom Reverend Roming Liana chairman ka shwain nei ani hehuna hian District Motor Board in motor mandan alo siam chu ennon tura ti ni in August thachungin ennon na nei tura ti ani Kardai maintain tura dan omek chukum khata voi little check chin ni se ti ani bok District Motor Board thutkhoma hian District Board in secretary tura arwat upa thangming liana chuan secretary kal swak upa JH Rozona hena tungin charge Allah ngal ani Aizawl East District Motor Board shwai tu tele member te Chairman Reverend Roming Liana Secretary upa thangming liana Treasurer Reverend BL Nem tuanga Member Reverend Biak Sang Zwala Reverend Vanel Filaram Tiamle Reverend R Lianza Mate anni July ninga pathiani khan keifang bial maiti kaushana baptisma khur honni in evangelist kelal tan moya kuta mi pathumin swanga idamna baptisma ansang July ninga pathiani ve cancer chief din thar bial din thar kaushana baptisma khur honni in Reverend Silal din tuanga bial du pastor kuta mi som pakwaten swanga idamna baptisma ansang bok July ni riat ni lai ni Zingkar Khan District Headquarters kaushana Reverend Biak Sang Zola District Superintendent kuta mi pani in swanga idamna baptisma ansang July ni kwani ngani chu madar som pakhat Khan District Headquarters biak ina kumin sangni somni atanga sangni somni pakhat chunga Aizawl East District PYD Zaipol Pentecostal Choir member telakluna induction nei ani he hun hi unaw palom sangki ma Vice Chairman Music and Sound Committee chuan kai shwain Reverend Silal Masoma President District PYD in laklu na le shiak thina aneya Reverend Biak Sang Zola District Superintendent chuan fuina thu soin choir member kal chhuak ten hena thana thuziak citation hlan anni bok Churachampur District Rongbol na chanchin July ni sompani sangni somni hian tuibong section pastor incoming ceremony le induction service nei anidona District Superintendent Reverend Pausean Rongbol na aneyang hemizana vekhian saipum local te District OB in antlole ngal bokang July ninga pathiani khan Reverend El Chutwai lo tuibong section pastor in HN tur in marvenga asakchu District Superintendent Reverend Pausean lali swamingin honna le hlanna aneisak District Superintendent Reverend Pause hian July ni sompani pathian ni hian tuibong section pastor thar induction service nein hun ahmangang pathian izan hian District Superintendent Reverend Pause District Secretary Reverend Lazom Treasurer Pastor B Lazam loi te chuan saipum local to in Rongbol na annei chunzom Pastor B Lazam loi District Treasurer Hovin July ni riat sang ni somni khan veng nuam singata Tirkauram tlan unaw nu kimcha quarter thom thadna anvaneya Tirkau kimcha hi meichia anina inram lak Rongbol na konga mission hem ngai tak ani Churachampur District Missions Department chuan July ni som sang ni somni zirtom ni khan kumchan ve board an thukhoma malak dan tur shang shang anrel Chimtuipui District Rongbol na chanchin ngai thavele ila July ni nga rolban loteni disabled Sunday khan Chimtuipui District chunga kaushanten Manirem chandan angin inlama tholom la khomin hun an manga District chunga chungkotin te chungkomai champang te chuan tholom la khomin District Headquarters sama an chunglut le don ani Lungtian local LED te chuan disabled Sunday Pauline an local member zinga vobik rolbat lote champuina sum an hlan Sihatla local PYD te chuan July ni ruk atang khan volunteering Sihatla quarantine mekte eirong an bolsak PYD te hi grupa in thenin sarkar danjam te zom chungin eirong an bol thin ani July ni kwa atangani som pakhat chung khan district committee room a district kumchan ve audit nei ani a district kaushan puile department shang account audit ani auditor se hi reverend al ne chunga upa John VT ne hule upa PS lal than hlirate anni July ni riat ni lai ni khan se ha council bank kaushan biak ina pulpit lectern chairman dokan le thuthlengte council bank LED ten an siam tir chu biak ina anda luta kaushan haute an lomin an hlim hle kumsang ni somni district missions conference council bank kaushan ten an thlengdona hemi atana anin bo saina hi thei topin an kalpui me kani July ni som panga ni lai ni hian district headquarters complex New Siaha Pastor Nupuite Pauline Seminar nei ani dona he seminar hian Reverend L Chuklingale Unau Nu H Zoram Thangi Bible Women te chu resource person atan man anni ang Longtai West District Rongbol na chanchin District Superintendent Reverend Ram Thajol chuan July ni riat le ni ko chung khan Bungtlang South Bial to in afe chwaka July ni riat ni lai ni khan Bungtlang South Bial board lung hauka telpuin July ni kwani ga ni khan Bungtlang Munnuam Diltlang Khomoi le Mampuya te cholin kaushan haute ato kwala kaushan puipa tenen inkom khomna anne North Mizoram District Rongbol na chanchin July ni nga ni khan Unau Nu la lomzwali daughter of Pastor R Thanglura Dampareng puibel to Pastor to North Mizoram District Office staff te Pauline surgical mask le maspa ngai thanem tak ape thilpek hi Unau Nu R lalpian feli office lodongin office mamo tak thilpek anduna Unau Nu ma fili hian lom thu alo shil bokani district shwai to the program North Mizoram District Konpuibel Pastor Quarters to July ni som panhi pathian ni khan North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Altuangan pathian hena hlanin ahong Quarters honna hian District Secretary Reverend Chiarpui ale District Treasurer Reverend Kelal du sangaten antelpui July ni nga ni khan District Treasurer Reverend Kelal du sang chuan District Officer meeting thuangin West Phaileng Bel Pastor Quarters thar saktur ahuna thithain ahun lai dan tu ro manna anei puya laitan ngal ani July ni thum zirtom ni khan District Superintendent Reverend Altuanga chuan kaushan thil chula scholarship to in kaushan hun loram revenue ati fel ngai te ati fel Shileng wanga hun rei tak chung in kharkhip nuwa district in Rongbol na beipui athak be chanin district in atir chwa Rongbol tu te mimal kaushan le bialin aroi Rongbol tu te chuan anom na khwa VLTF te kai shwaina in home crusade home visit le tongtrai Rongbol na tenin Rongbol na an chunjom le chon mekani North Mizoram District chunga missions Rongbol na kutkeng tu missions department te chuan Shileng kara theito ka Rongbol na kalchau pui zelin North Mizoram District chunga missions felt sompani a missionary te chuan remchan ang angin an mani station a Rongbol na an kalpui mek zela missionary te hian lockdown chung khan mithar somthum pakwalai chandam na huanga an senglut ani North Mizoram District PYD te chuan kumin chunga voi khatna turin July ni somjir tom ni khan District PYD board anne board meeting District PYD President Evangelist J Vanarwatana Kashwaya District Puipa Pathum ten an hau theibok Anthurel Kim Changkar le lamati chwatum ani July ni thum zirtom ni khan North Mizoram District School and Col Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary School higher section chuan school mason na tur chungchanga meeting anne meeting hi Principal Evangelist JH Amal Somdong Lianan Kashwayin North Mizoram District Secretary Reverend Chiarpuyan ahawbok meeting a hian school mason na tur shang baka higher section big admission ti dan tur chungchang an soi ho ani July ni nga pathian ni khan si phir bial shwai tu the rahman ne in bial kaushan pui le bial department shwai tu the chuan si phir Sunday School hall in twai tharna anne he in twai tharna huna hian bial hwa pa Rongbol na konga mathar lak zel dan tur soi ho ni in bial the pastor Reverend Silaram Wanan pui ni thuwa soi ba ka ahu hawa tongta in pathian he na in hlan tharna anne halbok Sipir bial te hi lockdown na wangin hun rei tak inkom theilo ma se bial chung kaushan hoten tharau lam nuna balsom na thar an nei zel theinan bial shwai tu ten bial chung kaushan te atam theyang ber to kwalin anin fui tharenga tongtrai sakna an nei chin bok July ninga pathiani khan zo montlang field da missionary a thokmek Unau Nu F lelsiam le ni Rongbol na kaltangin Pentecost kaushan zom turin member tharpali kaushana senglu anni Mithar loblu na program hi field quarters a nei ani Juni somni pakwa thochen ni khan loi pu kaushena naw pakhat hlan thar ni in July ni ni nga ni khan naw pathum hlan an ni bok July ni thum jing khan member pathum in bial pastor Reverend Arlan mangai kuta swangai damna baptisma an changbok July ni nga pathiani jang khan mau bok kaushena mithar pakhatin evangelist lal ompuya kuta baptisma changin July ni ruk tho chanjan khan mau boka mithar vek pakhatin bial pastor kuta baptisma achanga nausen pakhat pathian hena ahan ngal bok July ni nga pathiani khan chonmun church board ro man im baptisma chanrun pui chonmun kaushan ten an mang baptisma rongbol na hi chonu dar ni le achanria nein bial pastor Reverend Laram thanga kolni chuana neya chonmun kaushan chunga tingin tlei rol le rol thar wal mi so pakhaten swangai damdam baptisma an chang ani baptisma changthar te hi biagina hun ser toy man puin baptisma pui mona counseling ne pui an ni a upale tir kauten tok trai sakna han nei bok July ni nga pathiani khan North Mizoram district chaltang bial de chuan unaw pala shwai zela samtlang kwari chimwan duai na to ka wanga boral ta chung te ralna an nei unaw pala shwai zela ralna hi chaltang bial ai win bial shwai tu tin an chen na huna an neya ralna thilpek bial chung sang sang atang sum thokhom cheng singa sangkha zaria chu unaw pala shwai zela chung te kuta an hlan ani unaw pala shwai zela ralna huna hiam bial tu pastor Reverend C. Laram Thangan Hovin, Evangelist J.H. Malsom Dongliana, Bial Secretary, Evangelist R.L. Thangchuana, Bial Treasurer Baka, Reverend P. Chunga, Unaw nu R.L. Pian Filile, Unaw nu P.C. Lazum Lianiten and Troy Ombok. Hemini Vekyan Tang Bial Chunga Pastora Chuak Pastor P.C. Larokima, Ibok Bial Vong Tuzu, Iboka Tongalin Tang Bial Tihan Lompuina Tilpek and Hladbok. Kulasib Diakon Bial de Chuan Rahman na anlaw na ito angin July ni somni khian dampatang nuam tir ka quarters tour wa camp in Ansadon dampare pui bial te anlom le a kaushan mason zel na tura pui tu bial te chunga lom thuan soibok chaltang bial ten dampare pui bial vek sidon vek in wa camp ba sak antum chileng awanga rem chang om the tak lo wangin bek in sang na tura lo fathor na tur cheng sing thum sanga district kaltangin pe kan tuma Chaltang bial te hian sidon biak in sang na tur sum hi district missions department na an chunglut to bok evangelist BTN Darlunga district rain rongbol na aneya lockdown tir khan khorini ma kalin kaushan ngen na angin rongbol na aneya a rongbol chu hian khorinhim kaushana suangai damdam baptisma changmi som pasari anomba ka tharau thianglim dong tharmi engemozat anombok Shilenga wanga inkhar khip chung khan Darlunga mi pali in suangai damna baptisma an chang tharbok March Latira District Missions Shwai tu te Rajali Field azinin Sunday School Hall an mamo na shiat puin Rajali Sunday School Hall saktur Rahman puin sumpo sanction ngal ani a lockdown chungin Rajali Missionary Evangelist Shang Chan Khumachang kaushan member rem chang ang te puina in Sunday School Hall hi asa a tuna hian no pang Sunday School Hall chu lwa theim pe anita ani he Sunday School Hall mun ma hi Rajali Pentecost kaushan upa shiat ke ma in mun ni in Amun hi manman takin district tan hiana pe a district missions driver twal upala thantuang chuan Sunday School Hall mantur hi atum heng he bok Rajali Missionary hian pathiani kalta July ni nga khan biak ina inkhom ala theilo wangin ama quartersa nausen panhe pathian hena hlanin rongbol na anei bok ole khati zong khatun tumata na UPC North East India kaushan rongbol na chanchin thar kan thirle ngai thak hole theite ni e